Did you know that something as simple as garlic can change your health in ways you can't imagine? Yes, garlic, the humble kitchen hero that has been used for centuries, not just to flavor your food, but to heal and strengthen your body. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your heart health, or even lose weight, garlic has got you covered. Here are 10 powerful tips about the health benefits of garlic that you absolutely need to know. So sit back, relax, and keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll understand why garlic deserves a permanent place in your daily routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Keep watching and enjoy this life-changing video. Number 1. Boosts immune system. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting your immune system. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. These compounds help protect your body from common infections like colds and flu. Consuming garlic regularly can also reduce the duration of a cold and make you feel better faster. Think of garlic as your natural shield against illness. Number 2. Supports heart health. Garlic has been shown to be a game changer for heart health. It helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, both of which are linked to heart disease. Additionally, garlic helps increase the production of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and improves circulation. This leads to lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Regular garlic consumption could seriously benefit anyone with heart health concerns. Number 3. Regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure affects millions of people worldwide, but garlic might be your secret weapon. The sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels and improving circulation. Just a small amount of garlic each day can help control your blood pressure naturally and keep your cardiovascular system healthy. Number 4. Acts as a natural detoxifier. Garlic is not just good for your immune system, it's also an incredible detoxifier. The sulfur compounds in garlic help activate the liver enzymes that flush out toxins and heavy metals from the body. This detoxifying effect helps keep your organs in top shape and boost your overall energy. A clean, toxin-free body is the key to feeling vibrant and youthful. Number 5. Promotes digestive health. Your gut health is critical to your overall well-being, and garlic is one of the best foods to support it. Garlic has powerful antibacterial properties that help balance the gut flora, promoting a healthy digestive system. It can reduce bloating, discomfort, and improve digestion by stimulating the production of gastric juices. It's time to take care of your digestive health with garlic. Number 6. Enhances skin health. Want clearer, younger-looking skin? Garlic has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can fight acne, reduce inflammation, and promote youthful skin. Its ability to neutralize free radicals helps prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. So, the next time you're thinking about your skin, reach for some garlic for natural skincare benefits. Number 7. Improves brain function. Garlic is not just good for the body, it's amazing for the brain too. The antioxidants in garlic help protect the brain from age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, garlic increases the production of key neurotransmitters that improve brain function, memory, and focus. Keep your brain sharp and youthful with this natural nootropic. Number 8. Fights inflammation. Inflammation is often the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the swelling and pain associated with these conditions. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or inflammation, adding garlic to your diet could significantly improve your quality of life. Number 9. Enhances athletic performance. Garlic is not only for health, but it also helps improve your athletic performance. by improving blood circulation and increasing oxygen delivery to your muscles. Garlic can help reduce fatigue and increase endurance. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who wants to perform better in the gym, garlic is a natural way to enhance your physical performance and achieve better results. Number 10. Supports weight loss. Looking to shed a few pounds? Garlic can help with weight loss by boosting your metabolism and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. It also regulates blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that can lead to cravings and overeating. Garlic can also make you feel fuller longer, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Garlic is truly a superfood with incredible health benefits that go far beyond just flavoring your food. It's time to unlock the power of garlic and add it to your daily routine for a healthier and happier life. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more health tips that can change your life, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any future videos. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next one.